Welcome to Nuer Shot. Today we are going to learn these English Nuer basic phrases. Let's just get started. When you want to say how are you today, you can say Weidi keji and wale in thok nath. How are you today? Weidi keji and wale. Weidi keji and wale. I am doing well, thank you. En malpointe chiloida test. En malpointe chiloida test. What is your name? Shall Shududi. What is your name? Shall Shududi. My name is Gadwish. Shall Shuda Gadwish. How old are you? Jinti Kurundi. Jinti Kurundi. How old are you? I am 25 years old. And ta kurunti jandang rawide diech. Where are you from? Jinbini. Where are you from? Jinbini. I am from Rolnath. And ba Rolnath. And ba Rolnath. When and where were you born? Dab ke jine ka gwasan miss. When and where were you born? Dab ke jine miss. I was born in 2007 in Rolnath. And dab karon kinadaro with a barrow Rolnath. Ron kinadaro with a barrow Rolnath. Where do you currently live? Shengini and Tama. Shengini and Tama. I live in Rolnath and Shenga Rolnath. And Shenga Rolnath. Are you single? Jin Chajikwen. Jin Chajikwen. No, I am not married. A. And Kanakwen. A. And Kanakwen. Do you have any children? Jinti Kagat. Jinti Kagat. No, I don't have any children. A. And Telehagat. A. And Telehagat. What do you do? Engula ladumo. Engula ladumo. I am a teacher. Hana hangich. Hana hangich. Please try to read again or try to listen to these English basic phrases that we translate into Nuer language. We can repeat it one more time. How are you today mean Weidi kejen wale. I am doing well, thank you, and malpoinda shiloida teth. What is your name? Shall Shududi. My name is Gadwich, shall Shuda Gadwich. How old are you? Jinti Kurundi. I am 25 years old, and ta Kurundi jandang rawididich. Where are you from? Jinbini. I am from Rolnath, and ba Rolnath. When and where were you born? Dabka Jine ka Gwasan miss. I was born in 2007 in Rolnath. And Dabka Karon Kinadara with a barrow Rolnath. Where do you currently live? Shengeni and Tama. I live in Rolnath and Shenga Rolnath. Are you single? Jin Chajikwen. No, I am not married. A. And Kanakwen. Do you have any children? Jinti Kagat. No, I don't have any children. A. And Talagat. What do you do? Angula ladumo. I am a teacher. Hana hengit. Please try to share this lesson with others, with those who want to learn thok nath or Nuer language. Please do not forget to follow or subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.